So this story took place around 1 month ago when I had to decide what I wanted to get my younger brother for his 18th birthday. I'd heard him talking about wanting a Polaroid, some sort of instant film camera, but then I thought of this video that I watched from Peter McKinnon called The Gift of Photography, and I thought I'd try something similar where I gift a photo of him to himself, if that makes sense. So the next thing to decide was which photo I was going to use. I scrolled through my camera roll, found a bunch of photos. None of them really got my attention, caught my eye. I guess I haven't taken many great photos of him, but I did see a lot of photos of us with some friends at this one bar called Jay Borowski. Over the years, it's become one of our favorite bars. So I thought, why don't we go there, try and stage a photo without him knowing. So the first step was to go to the bar and basically ask them if I could go in and take a photo. So I went a couple days earlier, I think it was a Thursday, and just basically asked them, could I come in, take a photo for my brother for his birthday, secretly? And they were like, yeah, sure. So I said, can I come down Saturday? And they were like, yeah, cool, see you Saturday.
Right, so I need to do
If you want to catch, you can kiss this ass.
I need to shoot for in Jay Borowski.
Oh!
Yeah, I just need to take a photo of you in Jay Borowski.
Me?
Yes.
Why me?
Because they're looking for like a premium look.
Okay.
So basically, this Saturday,
So you're saying I look premium?
you do look premium. This Saturday, would you be down?
Are you sure?
Alright, 6. So Saturday, 6 p.m. Leave here at 4:30.
I can't give you a guarantee.
No, I need a guarantee.
Fine.
Saturday, 6. Alright!
Yeah.
Yes, like, alright, so.
Then on the day, I grabbed the flash, put on the camera, and then we basically just drove over, parked the car, went inside, ordered ourselves a drink each, and took the photo. It was perfect. Check them out here. Yeah, let's go. What do you think?
Let's go. That's pretty sick. I'm gonna take some of those for my Insta though.
Alright, sounds good. There was almost no one in the bar, can't really see them in the photo, and it went super well. He had no idea it was for him. The next part was when I got home. I had about 50 photos taken, so I had to decide on one of them, retouch it, add some color grade to it. So yeah, the story of this quote is actually quite funny. So one night for dinner, we were pouring ourselves a drink. My dad walks into the room and he says, guys, why are you drinking? You're gonna turn into an alcoholic. Kinda half mad, half joking almost. She wasn't really joking, he was quite mad. And then Nico turns around and is like, no, I'm not an alcoholic, I'm just Italian. And my mom, Nico, and we just burst out laughing. It was hilarious. So I only had about 2 days left at this point, and I sent the photo to this company on the 8th. They delivered it on the 9th, and it just looked so good.
Dope. That's dope. Yo, that looks sick.
Just open that one.
Yeah.
Oh! Alright. That is clean. This is the photo. This is me in Jay Borowski's. It's like the photo that we were taking. I'm not. That's clean. Thank you. Okay, going.